Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix maximum number of attempts reach try again later error on TikTok. So if you are facing this error, it means you have exceeded the maximum number of attempts allowed for a specific action on TikTok. Now to fix the maximum number of attempts reaches or too many attempts on TikTok, here are 4 quick guides to solve your problem. So number 1 is remove the previous attempt. Tap and hold on the TikTok application. Then tap on this app info icon, scroll down, tap on this mobile data, enable all the settings and then go for the storage and tap on this clear data. After that, wait it out. The most common cause of this error message is that you have attempted to perform the same action too often within a short period. Wait for a few hours before trying again. Now solution number 2 is check your internet connection. Open settings, scroll down and tap on this developer option. Now scroll down and then tap on this Wi-Fi scan throttling. Scroll down a little and then toggle on this always mobile data on. Here it is. Now solution number 3 is you have to update the TikTok application for the latest version. Go to the Play Store or App Store and in the search bar just simply search for TikTok and make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it. So if none of the steps work, try uninstalling the TikTok application and then reinstall it again. And one of these solutions will help you to solve your problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.